Hi everyone, Chef Petey back with another award-winning recipe for you to try out. Coconut curry chicken with potatoes. Now there are many varieties of curry. There's Indonesian, Malaysian, Indian, Jamaican, Thai, as well as Chinese. Now some are very spicy and others are quite mild. Now if you are a wimp when it comes to spices, then you'll like this recipe. Okay, let's get to work. Alright, ingredients we need today. I have a 1 pound of chicken breast, cut, sliced thin, 2 potatoes. I boiled it for about 15 minutes and I sliced those. Half a cup of onions sliced. You can do more, you can do a cup if you like. 1 cup of carrots sliced. 1 cup of green peppers sliced. Half a tablespoon of grated ginger or chopped ginger. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder. We're gonna use a dash of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's just a yellow curry powder and it's mild. You can get this at like Asian grocery stores. I have 3/4 cup of coconut milk. I have 1 cup of chicken stock right here. And we like it a little bit spicy, so 1 teaspoon of hot pepper oil. We're also gonna marinate the chicken. You're gonna need 1 egg, salt, white pepper powder, and oil, and cornstarch. That's used to marinate the chicken, also to thicken our stock. Okay, let's get to work. All right, we're gonna marinate our chicken breast. You're gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of white pepper powder. You're just gonna use the egg white. Mix it up well. And you're gonna put cornstarch, just maybe a tablespoon or so. This is gonna make your chicken smooth when you cook it. It'll coat the chicken, and it'll remain moist. And then a little bit of oil. Okay, we're ready to cook. Okay, we got the wok heated up. Put about a tablespoon of oil. I use canola oil, by the way. You're gonna put your onions in first. That's aromatics. Then you're gonna put your ginger in. Chicken. You might want to add a little bit more oil to it. Okay, it looks like it's about halfway done here. Now you can put in your peppers, your carrots, and your potatoes. We're going to put in our stock. You're going to cover it up and let it cook. Okay, so you want to bring it to a boil and just make sure the chicken is done. Looks pretty good. Okay, and what we're going to add the salt, the sugar, white pepper powder, oyster sauce, curry powder, and the hot pepper oil, or whatever kind of peppers you want to put in here, and sesame oil, just a dash. And lastly, coconut milk. Now we'll just let it cook a few more minutes here. Okay, looks like it's just about done here. I'm going to put some cornstarch and water. I say maybe half a tablespoon of cornstarch and half a teaspoon of water. And it's done. Okay, for our taste test. Got some chicken, got some potatoes, green peppers, and onions in here, and a big spoon. Mm. Mm. Wow, that is good. Mm. The chicken is very tender, and that coconut milk really adds that really good coconut flavor to it. Mm. Okay, please try this recipe. Let me know, comment below, and please share. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.